Top 6 Best Laptop for Animation in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 6. Asus VivoBook 15. If you're on a budget, the Asus VivoBook 15 is an excellent option that won't disappoint. It ticks all the boxes of a good value for money laptop. Fast performance, great battery life, bright screen, and plenty of storage. Whether 2D or 3D animations, you can create, review, and render projects on the VivoBook 15 without hiccups. The VivoBook 15 has a stunning 15.6-inch OLED display, which is one of the best displays on this list, with a cinema-grade 100% DCI-P3 color gamut that offers better viewing angles, contrast ratio, and response time than the regular IPS display. Visuals are crisp and clear even in the darkest scenes. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix G15. The Asus ROG Strix G15 might seem like just another gaming laptop. However, it couldn't be further from the truth. The amazing 8-core AMD processor, along with the latest generation NVIDIA RTX GPU, make this laptop not only great for gaming, but also amazing for 2D and 3D animation. The display is not only Full HD, but also 100% sRGB and 300 GHz, which is amazing, especially for animation. The 1 TB SSD storage is also a great addition for this mid-range priced laptop, taking away the need to buy extra SDD or HDD storage in the future. Its cooling optimized system will also guarantee better performance, but even without that, this laptop is already amazing. The decisive winner factor would be the price. There are many great laptops out there that can handle 2D and 3D animation with ease, but is also quite expensive. This laptop is the perfect choice not only because of its characteristics, but because you don't need to break your bank to get it. Number 4. Acer Concept T7 Ezel Pro. The Acer Concept T7 Ezel Pro is another powerful creative laptop that is a brilliant choice for animating on. It features high-end NVIDIA RTX graphics, which makes it an excellent choice for people looking to animate complex 3D scenes. The Pantone-validated 4K IPS screen is also by far one of the best we've seen in a laptop, and when we reviewed it, we found animations look fantastic. We found that the power and speed of this laptop also ensures smooth rendering. It's expensive, and it's not the thinnest or lightest laptop on this list, but it's well worth investing in if you're looking for a real workhorse to animate on. See our Acer Concept T7 Ezel Pro review for more. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. If you want a stylish laptop with Apple-like build quality, but don't want to use macOS, then Microsoft's Surface Laptop 4 is a great Windows alternative. While Microsoft may be better known as a software company, it's been putting out some great laptops, and this one is thin, light, and easily portable. We were impressed with the PixelSense touchscreen, and it comes with cutting-edge integrated graphics from either Intel or AMD, depending on the configuration you go for. It also has very decent battery life. We found it lasted around 13 hours in our tests. Number 2. MacBook Pro 13-inch M2 2022. Yes, another MacBook on this list, but the brand new 13-inch MacBook Pro is a worthy addition. It comes with Apple's new M2 chip and can be configured with up to 24 GB of unified memory, and this means it is an excellent, easily portable laptop for animation. It comes with a touch bar across the top of the keyboard, giving you quick access to tools and shortcuts, and can dramatically speed up your workflow. The new MacBook Pro 13-inch also boasts an incredibly long battery life. We've tested it ourselves, and it's seriously impressive, allowing you to work all day and still have battery life left. It's not as powerful as the MacBook Pro 14-inch and 16-inch models, but it's more affordable, making it a great purchase for many animators. Number 1. Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16, 2022. When you look at the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16, one thing is immediately clear, aside from the mouthful of a name. This is no ordinary laptop. That's because it has a second touch-enabled screen that rests just above the keyboard. But far from being a gimmick, this panel makes it an excellent laptop for animators. You can move apps and windows down to the lower touchscreen while working on an animation on the main display. That's perfect for multitasking or just clearing your app's workspace and moving tools and panels to the lower screen. It could change the way you animate for good. But let's not let that overshadow the rest of the device. There are two options for the main screen: 4K or Mini LED, both of which cover 100% of the P3 color gamut. You can power it with a mighty AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU and up to an NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti. So guys, that's all for the top 6 best laptop for animation in 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.